Day 1 of renovating my mountain old house for 50,000 yuan. I got up at 5:30 this morning because the workers would arrive at 6:30. I needed to feed the puppies, chicks, and goslings first. Yeah, today's main task is demolition first, these windows, and second, the collapsed small house next to it. This footage was actually shot 4 days ago. I just finished editing it today because I was completely exhausted and only felt a bit better now. I hit a few snags during the renovation. I'll summarize them for you at the end, but not now. Anyway, it was really frustrating, but it's all over now. That small house over there used to be a storage shed. It was full of garbage, and we hauled away several truckloads. It collapsed under the snow before. I started the project and hadn't been repaired for years. This old house was built by my grandpa brick by brick in 1988. They're all busy working. So I'll grab my breakfast first one. The workers brought it for me from Tao on their way here. This is my most relaxing morning so far. The only relaxing morning, those windows were done in half a day. Well, then with 4 large windows, which has a downside, it'll get hotter inside. But I left 2 windows that can be opened so I can run the air conditioner later. Besides, I'm more sensitive to cold than heat. I prefer it warm. So this design works for me. I still remember tearing down the 6-meter wide traditional heated brick bed in the West Room by myself last year. It took me over a week. Now the workers are tearing down this one and they'll finish it in a day. They'll knock down those 2 outdoor stoves soon and haul them away too. I'm also helping move all this clutter. I've been working right alongside them. Let me tell you, it's exhausting. My shoulders, hips, knees, and lower back, every part of my body aches. And honestly, I haven't even done that much heavy lifting. I just stayed busy from sunrise to sunset. I guess my physical condition is just really poor. These workers are amazing. I admire their strength so much. The brick bed was torn down quickly, and the room is almost cleared out. The tiles that used to be on the floor are all removed, and luckily most of them came off in one piece. I can reuse them for something else later. They're totally usable. This afternoon, we bought a truckload of heavy bricks, and the material started arriving. The sand is here, the windows are installed, and the cement has been delivered too. Another truckload of sand will be here soon, along with the brick bed slabs. I didn't tear down the small shed in the yard. It doesn't block much sunlight. And it's perfect for storing things that need to be kept in the shade. This area used to be 3 pigsties. We had an excavator dig up all the red bricks. We'll hire a dump truck to haul them away in a couple of days. We don't have a truck big enough right now. By then, the snow in northeast China will have completely melted. We also need to dig drainage ditches and a wastewater well. So we'll have the excavator do all that at once instead of handling it separately. That's how things stand. This was 2 days' work. I'll summarize the total cost for you later. For now, that's it.